Today we're going to be going over our 208B. It's an ID mount, a Beveling machine. Comes in the box. Machine, a mandrel. It has two sizes of heads, standard size, extended range. The range with this would mount ID from an 1.5 inch to 8 inch, 870 thousandths. Once you have your pipe and you need to know the size to mount with, so we're going to measure the ID of the pipe so we know our mounting pad size. So the ID of this is 5 inch, 500. We'll go in the manual, find that range. Coming down, come across, so we're using the extended head, has the part number on it. Also the block pad size and the part number. So we're using the extended size head with this. All tri-tool pads and jack screws have part numbers on them. You'll notice that the cap screws are captured in here, so you can't fall out if you're working on elevated work or above water or something. It's easiest to remove the mandrel. So the standard machine comes with a self-squaring and a self-centering mandrel. So some features for the 208B is that we have axial feed graduations. And that'll tell us that one full turn revolution is 83 thousandths. And then we could feed gradually, which is 0.0023. Another feature is if you're using the flange facing attachment, it actually has a lock of a axial feed lock. Safety, it has a dead man switch. That way it can't get bumped engaged. It has the RPM or throttle control due to the amount of material being removed. It also has 3 tool holders, so you can use all 3 blocks in process, facing, counterbore, and beveling, which would speed up production. A benefit of the 208 when we went from our old 206 is this machine is worm drive, so it has a lot of torque. So the standard mandrel is a self-squaring, self-centering mandrel. The 208B Bevel Master can do 3 operations individually or all together. We can do facing, counterboring, and beveling. All tri-tool machines are also manufactured with aircraft aluminum. The gears are heat treated, and then we use aircraft bearings for quality. In your wrench kit, you'll find that you have the torque wrench. We have a facing bit, tighten the set screw. We can now go in with our counterbore bit. We have counterbore bits that are at different transition rates. This is at a 4:1. These are all high speed M2, M42 tooling, and it already has your transition grounded into the tool bit.
It's called form tool.
And we're going to use a 37.5 degree form tool bit. This is a Durabit 5. You're done with all three processes, base, counterbore, bevel. Once these tool bits are set, now you can actually remove it and jump from one pipe to the next on a pipe rack and be more productive.